to. Ang sarap ng bubble tea nyo.
Oh, thank you for that.
Avocado siya. Jen, mayroon siyang 4 choices na toppings. Dito tayo ngayon sa bagong bukas ng bubble tea dito sa Cochrane. Ito yung kasamahan ko sa work before and then ngayon nagbukas siya ng bubble tea dito sa Cochrane. So tanungin natin siya kung paano niya to naisipang mag-business ng isang bubble tea dito sa Cochrane. Sige nga. Hello, Flor! Hawakan mo yan. Walang atrasan na to.
Hello everyone and to all our viewers. Thank you for inviting me with your blog.
Lapit mo na para marinig masyado.
I'm shy. It's my first time to do this, kuya.
Ang sarap ng bubble tea nyo.
Oh, thank you for that.
Avocado siya. Jen, mayroon siyang 4 choices na toppings.
We have lots of toppings.
So, paano mo siya naumpisahan to?
Actually, it's my kids who loves bubble tea. Yeah.
Tapos, nang naisipan mong mag-business dito.
Yeah.
Pero, di ba Calgary ka?
Yeah, we're in Calgary.
And then, dito ka nag-invest sa Cochrane.
Yes.
So, hindi ba headache sa umpisa or
Yeah,
kabado?
every business is a struggle at the first time. At saka, first time is always the hardest. But if you take risk, that's how you start maybe your success.
So this is your first business ever?
Yes.
How about in Philippines?
No.
Wala kang business sa Philippines?
Yeah, no.
So it's a risk for you na maggawa ka ng business dito. Pero ano bang pakiramdam mo? Positive, negative, okay lang?
Yeah, sometimes you can think negative because of some circumstances, but positivity always prevails. Yeah.
Ilang choices ang mga bubble tea nyo?
We have lots. I think we have 40 plus flavors.
Wow. And this is not a franchise, right?
No, it's not.
Bakit hindi ka nag-franchise knowing na wala ka pang idea or this is your first time being having a business? Bakit hindi ka nag-franchise?
I think having a franchise is takes a lot of money, and yeah, that's what I think.
Sino yung nag-design nito? Ang ganda.
It's what you call this? Teamwork. It's a teamwork from my cousins and kids.
Sila?
Yeah.
Lagi dito. So, cousin mo sila?
Yes.
Guys, ang sarap. Yung Calgary na bubble tea, yung sa 16th Ave, creamy din siya, pero mas creamy to, avocado. Kaya tinanong ko agad, ano ba yung best seller nila dito sa bagong bukas na bubble tea?
Best seller? Yeah.
Avocado and mango daw to.
Yeah, it depends on how you like the flavors. Yeah.
So, sino yung nag-decide sa measurement, sa mixture?
It's confidential.
Confidential. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. At saka guys, affordable, no? Affordable lang siya. Work ka pa rin hanggang ngayon, no? Full time.
Yes,
Paano mo gi-manage yung business and full-time work?
Time management.
You-
And I have my kids and my husband with me.
So your kids, siya ang nagbantay dito every day?
If they're done with the school, they came and
So kayo ang nagsalitan.
yes.
At
Yeah.
the same time, ikaw din ang gumagawa kung may order.
Yeah, I'm helping. Yeah.
Wow, galing. Bakit bubble tea ang naisipan mong business?
Because of the love of my kids.
Okay.
My kids love the bubble tea. I'm inviting everyone to come here and taste our delicious handcraft bubble tea here in Cochrane, and hope to see you guys.
Bubble tea, sariling timpla, sariling desisyon nila yung timpla, guys. Hindi siya franchise. So, ano yung address dito?
Our address is 122 4th Avenue, Bay 8, Cochrane.
Do you accept skip dishes or DoorDash?
We're working on it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, salamat. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations sa bagong business ni Flor, no?
Thank you. And
Ang yaman na to. Kasama ko sa work, mayaman na noon, hanggang ngayon mayaman pa rin.